So it's battery day. Just heard batteries have arrived in Calero and we need to go pick them up. Bad news is no car hire places are open around the marina. Martin's had to jump in a taxi and go round to the harbour, the boatyard over there, to pick up a car, and I'm just waiting for him to come, and then we can go and get 4 fresh new batteries.
Is there a slow setting? Best door ever.
Nice.
Wow, they are heavy, aren't they?
So what do you think happens? Because if one of them goes down, then it pulls all the others down as well.
Yeah.
So then you got all of them bad, you know?
Yeah, so one of them went, and then the second one went, and then the third one later, 3 days later, the third one went.
Yeah.
Ooh. There you go. I'm surprised that...
Once again, offloading a hefty wedge of cash. You wouldn't believe that 4 batteries would cost as much as a brand new boom, would you?
Yeah. But now it's my bank card.
It's yours getting hammered.
I think it said it was correct. Brilliant.
Brilliant.
Credit card bills, problem for another day.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Ciao.
Oh, I don't know why I'm so happy about giving away over £1,000.
Excellent. We get to live another day.
Yes. Fresh batteries.
Cheers, dude. Have a great weekend.
Thanks, mate. You too.
Don't you be making a load of noise. Wow, weigh it, son! Oh.
That says 100 amp hour.
I know, it says it on the box here. What do you reckon? Should we go with 2 or 1?
2 probably.
It's supposed to be able to take 80 kilos.
So how much does each one weigh?
Ooh, a lot!
Let's not break Morty.
Right. Come back for the rest.
Shut up.
Oh!
Bend the knees. Oh, where should I put them?
put them both near the front this time.
I'm just going to lie them down. Yep.
They're heavy.
Oh, no, I don't know I'm going to do that.
The other way.
I'm going to have to put it down here and shuffle it over. The other one in. Whoo-wee. Right, so there's always a bit of a fly in the ointment. The new batteries, the wires connect to the new batteries with a simple bolt like this, and that screws down into the terminal on the battery. But the batteries that we have a little sticky up, like a little nipple thing. These things here. Now, the question is, will they come off? The answer is they will not.
So we've arrived at the chandlery. We need to find these little bits for the batteries. Hopefully they have something that can just screw in so we can fit our batteries today.
Did you bring the bolt?
No, did you bring the bolt?
No. This is our solution.
No.
For the time being.
You really think it's going to work?
Yeah, I do. So we've got the connectors which clamp onto the batteries at the moment, and they're like grippy things like that, and there's a big metal nipple that it attaches to. And our new batteries are simply, they have a flat connection that a bolt screws into. So my plan is put the grippy things over the bolt hole, put a washer on the top, and drop the bolt through and attach it. Done. Easy peasy. So we think we've got all the bits to hook the batteries up, so we're going to try and install one now. Oh, that's heavy. Wow, that's heavy. Now obviously it's important to know which way round the battery's going to be. And that's the red cable at the back, which matches the red terminal, and the black one at the front. In it goes. Whee!
Now what?
Well, now we need to take the old battery out. Just do that again.
So you've got to take off the positive first.
It doesn't really matter which one you take off first. Black, negative, red, positive.
Careful.
Oh, where's it on? So this is the plan. This is going to go on there. The question is, how?
Please don't blow yourself up, dear.
Do my very best. It's a question of finding the hole. That's what she said. I'm really tempted just to touch it with my fingers, but I don't know how dangerous that would be. Oh, good one. Is that in? Have you got it? You've done it?
Ha ha ha! A woman's touch, eh? It just takes a woman's touch. How is that not going to electrocute you?
It doesn't electrocute you because I'm not going to touch it with my fingers. And these tools have rubber handles on, so there's no direct contact. And B, I'm not closing the circuit between the two ends. So if I was touching one side and touching the other side, that'd be 12 volts. Quite a lot of amps running through my body. That'd be dangerous. And not something I recommend.
So 1-1. You do that side, I'll do this side.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea.
Teamwork. Let's get the next battery on. Oh, this is exciting.
Goodness. Oh, that's so... Damn. Oh. Ooh.
Careful.
Careful, I'm trying to be careful. It's not easy manoeuvring this thing. Wow.
That's exactly when we like to play with batteries.
That's exactly when we like to do all the dangerous work. So when we have been drinking.
Right, I'm gonna grab... Have you done it?
I've done it. We're on.
Check you!
Ooh, did you see the spark there? Wowzers.
Is it?
Yeah. Check me out.
Let me get my fingers in there and check.
Ooh-wee. Battery number 2. Done.
Oh, they are good looking now, aren't they?
Aren't they? Look at those bad boys.
Right, we can get the lids back on.
Just modifying the lid of the battery compartment.
Do you really have to be doing that?
Yeah. Ta-da! Lid number 1. Nice. Going out the centre.
Hi!
There's a whole load of shoving going on.
Yay!
Right then.
We've got 2 fresh batteries. Why no, I'm not going to help. Yeah. As if nothing ever happened.
Now we're in the starboard cabin and we're going to take out the 2 batteries here, which have already been disconnected. So we just need to lift them out. Yes, this was the one that nearly killed us.
Let's get it out.
Oh, the fun bit! Oh. This is so heavy! It's insane! I'm giving myself a hernia.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Wunderbar! I would say that's worked.
Yes, I'd say that's worked too. Well done. Good job, babes. Thinking outside of the box. Huzzah! Should we go and have a few drinks?
The last of the deadly batteries. Out you go!
Oh, that is that. 4 brand new 12 volt, 100 amp hour, deep cycle AGM batteries. Tick.
No?
Let's get the lid put back on. See if the windlass works.
windlass decided to give up the ghost after we arrived here, and we thought it might have something to do with the battery problem we've had. Now we have 4 new batteries installed. I'm hoping it's going to work. Fingers crossed.
Oh good! Another problem to deal with.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe. Help us make more videos like this by joining our Patreon family.